Greetings, friends! Happy Tuesday night to all of you. A huge number of Americans will be receiving a surprise relief payment next month. However, the Internal Revenue Service says it is possible that some people will miss out on these checks, and that's due to new errors. So in today's video, I will be sharing how you can make sure that you will receive the next stimulus payment. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Tens of thousands of U.S. families could see a windfall from the December child tax credit. The Internal Revenue Service says they recently sent letters to many Americans urging them to sign up for the child tax credit before the November 15th deadline. These notifications were sent to all eligible families, mostly low-income individuals who do not typically file a tax return and who are not already receiving monthly payments. Those who signed up will receive half of their total child tax credit of up to $1,800 as a lump sum during the month of December. The remainder can be claimed when they file their 2021 taxes in 2022. Eligible families were automatically enrolled based on their 2020 tax returns, but those who were not obligated to file returns due to low income had to sign up through the IRS. Experts say that as many as 50,000 families may have registered in time to receive the lump sum payments, and those who didn't sign up can claim the full refundable amount in 2022. The expanded child tax credit provides up to $3,600 for each child aged 5 and under, and up to $3,000 for each child ages 6 to 17, with half payable in 6 monthly installments of $300 or $250 per child. An equal amount can be claimed when filing your federal income tax returns next year. The Internal Revenue Service said it will issue a letter early next year documenting any payments made in 2021 and the number of qualifying children used in their calculations. Child tax credit payments started in July and, unless extended by Congress, are set to expire in December. The December payments, most of which will be delivered via direct deposit, are set to arrive starting December 15th. Residents in the states of California, Florida, Maryland, and Maine could also receive a surprise stimulus check payment worth up to $1,100 just in time for Christmas. As of 2021 comes to a close, state-level stimulus check payments are still coming out for those who are eligible.
Roads and bridges to make them safer and to facilitate transportation, for moving people from home to work to school, for moving product to market in a much more efficient way, especially in our agriculture community, which is so important in California. The list goes on, and it really has some good things about saving the planet. We do much more in our the bill we just passed the other day in the reconciliation. But this is a running start on not only our hopes riding on what's in the bill and mass transit and the rest, but also the running start it is to protect the planet. It's a tribute to President Biden. It was his vision. He came in with this big vision, and he accomplished this much, over $1 trillion, working in a bipartisan fashion. But he did say, I will not confine my vision for America to this one bill, and hence we have the legislation that he signed last Monday, but also the reconciliation bill, the Build Back Better. Now, what's exciting about that, and I'll make this point before I yield to Congresswoman Eshoo, and that is that in that legislation, we build back better because it's about equity. Both of these bills are about fairness and equity and justice in how we build our infrastructure in our country. No longer will we be separating neighborhoods, but unifying them. No longer will women and people of color be cut out of what happens next, because the legislation facilitates all of that. So it's building back better because it's building back in a more unifying way, a more just way, and again, honoring the vision of President Biden. He deserves so much credit for both of these legislations, on top of the the rescue package that we passed.
Maine Governor Janet Mills has just announced a program to send one-time payments worth up to $285 to over 500,000 Maine residents. The first round of payments were sent out on November 15th, and the state will continue to send more through the end of 2021. Those eligible are single filers who make less than $75,000 a year and couples who earn less than $150,000 annually. In California, the second Golden State Stimulus Program is still sending out payments for those whose adjusted gross income is between $1 and $75,000 and who have lived in the state for more than half of the 2020 tax year. Those one-time payments will be between $500 to $1,100. The program also helps residents who do not have a Social Security number but have an individual taxpayer identification number. These payments under the second Golden State Stimulus Program will continue until the year is over. Friends, the key word for this video is sparkle. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure you comment below the key word from each video and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Maryland Governor Larry Hogan signed a stimulus bill to give one-time payments to all families and individuals. Maryland Governor Larry Hogan signed a stimulus bill to give one-time payments to families and individuals. The program helps the state's poorest families with $500 checks, and individuals can receive $300. American families can also receive more money through tax refunds over the next 3 years. Families with 2 kids earning $25,000 could potentially receive $1,100 per year. Florida is planning to send out stimulus payments in December to first responders and pre-K through 12th grade teachers. If eligible, those people can receive a one-time payment of $1,000. Governor Ron DeSantis said that the program would give support to about 175,000 teachers and 3,600 principals. Across the 50 states, there are 9 states that are providing programs of this kind. The states are Arizona, Colorado, Connecticut, Kentucky, Maine, Montana, New Hampshire, Oklahoma, and Virginia. The largest sum that employees can receive as part of these programs is in the state of Arizona, where their back-to-work plan will pay $2,000 to all full-time workers and $1,000 to part-time employees. So friends, what are your thoughts on the new state stimulus payments and all these back-to-work bonuses? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, that's the end of the video for this Tuesday night. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. To say thank you, I'm giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards every Friday during the month of November. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Tuesday.